Hello, good morning. My name is Augustine Lien, and I'm the founder and CEO of this company called Aulisa Medical. This company actually is a patient monitoring system company. As you know, in the hospital, the first thing is get measured for their vital signs and so on. And our company is very specialized in patient monitoring. And the purpose of this meeting is to introduce our company current state, and then we're looking forward to next future things. Currently, we have received from FDA about 8 different kinds of approvals and clearance, namely about 8 different 510Ks, and we can measure and provide the monitoring of vital signs, probably 7 of the more important ones. So what we are seeing is today, in today's environment, AI is very powerful and everybody wants to use AI to improve things. And we are the same way. As far as the patient monitoring market, currently it's about $5 billion and will grow to about $25 billion into 2034 and so on. So the only company in the world actually has all 7 vital signs under one company as their expertise. So that's very significant for us. So we are looking for AI feature of the company. The fundamental patient monitoring has a lot of shortcomings. I'll explain to you and then link to what we are doing, why we are doing it. Okay, like I said, the company was founded in 2012, about 10 years. In the early days until just recently, about 2 years ago, all we focus on is to develop our product. And after 2 years ago, we have all the approvals and clearance from the FDA, so we start our marketing activities. I personally have a very, satisfactory, we call it track records. I have founded about 6 different companies in the past, 2012, and I kind of semi-retired. Now I just re-entered the market. The first company I was involved was a company by the name of Nellcor in 1980. And Nellcor is actually the first company invented so-called pulse oximeter. At that time, we don't know what to call it. That company was IPO with a very significant valuation. And nowadays, the company was acquired by Medtronic at the end. Second company is Menlo Care, acquired by J&J. Gynecare was acquired by J&J. Post-IPO, we went public and they asked us to join them. EPI is another company in interventional cardiology kind of field, acquired by Boston Scientific. The fifth company is called Aulisa Medical. It was acquired by Haemonetics just recently in 2021 for a substantial payback for the investors. The total purchase value was about $510 million. And then currently, I think this market will probably dictate another successful story. I just want to make sure that I can do it consistently, because I had hold the record of 100% exit successful. So that's what I hope I can do. The first our company's product is continuous wearable wireless cloud-based vital sign monitoring system, and the capability need to be enhanced with the current AI technologies. So the company's proprietary technology covers the monitoring of 7 different kind of more important vital signs, including oxygen saturation, SpO2, the pulse rate or heart rate, temperature, is body temperature, not just the environment temperature, ECG, respiratory rate, and blood pressure. The nice thing or unique thing is our product is totally self-measurement. In other words, you don't need any clinicians or nurses to come around and help you to measure. This current situation is something like that. Patient cannot do their own measurement, but our device, as long as you remember, it's wearable. Once you put the device onto the patient, then the measurement is starting right away. And it's continuous and it's real time. Because of that, it saves a lot of nursing staff because they don't need to come around and do that measuring this. And other nice things is that our product, all 7 of them, can cover all the patients in all ages, starting from infant, from babies after they're newly born, that's called neonates, to pediatrics, to adults, and so on. So it's a series of no age limitation kind of process. So I mentioned that there are shortcomings from the current monitoring system. Number one is that the equipment is bulky and expensive and has to be connected with wires or cables to patient in order to make any measurements. And because of that, you need nurse to be there. And because of the shortage of nursing staff, especially today, worldwide shortage of nursing staff, patients are often unintended for hours. And the current monitoring system default to what they call it spot checking, which means that the nursing staff will come around to check each room and measure on the patients individually, one by one, and every 3-4 hours kind of cycle. So when the nurse was here just minutes ago, you don't get to see this nurse until maybe 3-4 hours later. The vital signs of a patient can change actually drastically, very rapidly. So with this so-called spot checking, is just not enough to catch all the so-called serious kind of vital sign that is going to create many complicated problems, but it oftentimes is too late to deal with this kind of problem. So with our system, it's continuous automatically by our system, and because of that, our system can receive the 7 vital signs at the same time at a speed like 1 second per set of data. So it's continuously rather than a spot checking with one single measurement. So the current situation is like the left one in the ICU. The patient is strung with cables and wires, and the nurse is there, so they're working at the time. But without this setting, then no nurse, no measurement. And bulky and expensive machines tied to the patient, strung to the patient, the patients are very uncomfortable. So we're changing it to the middle kind of picture. That means the patient has all the wearables attached to the patient. They're comfortably laying down, and all the measurements are being done online in real time. And then the last thing we want to show is that we have a so-called centralized monitoring for multiple patients. That means that our base product is electronic product, wireless, and we can easily combine maybe or integrate multiple patients, many patients, and have them monitor on their vital signs together up to many. There's no limit actually for the combined population of the patients. So each patient has their own set of so-called biosensors, but many of them we can wirelessly connect all of them into a total system, and you can display the combined multiple patient data in many ways. We can use the so-called PC-based kind of display. We can use web-based display, and we can use many other type of display. And they can be displayed in anywhere, in any setting. And the nice thing is about this is that we would save a lot of our nursing staff, physicians' time, because all the patient on this system, once patient has any kind of abnormal situation, then the system will alert the caretakers to take care of the ones that have problem, and they don't need to go 100% to every room. And that creates a very nice kind of situation. The patient can enjoy it, and knowing that they are constantly being watched. So this is kind of a basic drawing of our flow of information and where the AI can be implemented, and also where the storage of data. And also more importantly, it's very flexible. Even the doctors can carry their own cell phone, smartphone, and can have all the information about the patient on an app on the side. Also, a product, all the 7 or 8 kind of product had gone through very rigorous human clinical studies with very precise kind of testing lab. And this is the requirement nowadays from FDA. Your clinical trial is more important than anything else. So our data accuracy and our patient safety and all the things are up to the most stringent kind of standard. In summary, our patient care with AI is our target. And we have already 7 vital signs in our own company. And we don't need to rely on other technology to get to monitoring patient. But our goal is to leverage AI technology, and therefore we can provide more comprehensive and predictive kind of patient results and improve our patient health management. The market is rather large, like we showed just a little while ago. It's $25 billion for remote monitoring market, and has a very high growth. Our company is committed to clinical excellence, and we're still looking forward to many kind of vital signs we can develop and getting approval. Another thing important is that our system is flexible, because basically it's an electronic smart device with wireless kind of capability, and so it's easy to scale up adoption for any kind of model, and we can special customize for many customers based on their needs. The final thing I would say that our investment opportunity is rather interesting, and it may take current company situations that were lacking some resources, either financially or human resources. We are looking for additional fundings to grow our company and to be able to realize our final goal is to use our 7 vital sign monitoring base, adding artificial AI, and we can create a all AI-powered patient monitoring system. This just covers all what I want to present, and thank you for your time.